In this quick session, I'm going to show you how to install and configure our SMS plugin, ABR Text Marketing Assistant. First of all, before you start, you will need to have a valid Twilio account. Twilio will be used to send and receive text messages. Whatever payments that you will need to make will be directly to Twilio, okay? We are not part of it. If you will go to Twilio, you will need to create an account, okay, using a sign up. And whenever you're done, you will see this page. This page will be the home page, and on the bottom, you will have the account info, you will have your account seed, your auth token, and the phone number that you selected. If you don't have a phone number yet, go to the top, right here, phone number, and then just click here and buy a phone number. Okay, you can select any phone number from anywhere in the world. They have tons of numbers. Whenever you're done, this is all you will have, and that is what we will need to install the extension. Step number 2 will be to go to your ZOHO CRM, and while you are logged into your ZOHO CRM, you will paste the unique URL that we are going to provide you in order to install the extension. You will paste it on the top, and then you will just click enter. Whenever the page loads, it will show you that this is version 88, and probably until the point that you will install it, there will be many more versions because we're updating the version all the time. And you will need to click the check boxes and continue. Here it will just ask you if you want only the administrators to have access to the SMS extension, yourself, or maybe custom profiles. We are going to go with all users because this is a very common behavior that most people need to use the SMS. I'm going to pause the video for a second because the preparing for install will take about 1 or 2 minutes, and I will proceed whenever this is done. Okay, so the extension is currently installing. I can click on OK, and I can start creating the values here. One of the cool things that we created for you is also a click integration, and click will be on the bottom of the screen. You will have notifications, and you have it also on your mobile devices. So when text message is coming into your CRM, you can get it on your mobile device or on ZOHO Click, which is awesome. So let's first continue with our installation. So first of all, whenever the installation is over, you will need to authorize the extension to work with CRM. You will just need to click here on authorize. There will be a screen that opens, and then you will need to click on accept. Once you do, the system now is authorized, and you can click on finish. Now it was authorized, and I will just refresh the page. And I will need to provide some more information. So first of all, the click bot name, we need to create a new bot, and it's very simple to do it. You will need to open a new tab. You go to click.zoho.com. Once the page loads, if there are any pop-ups, you can close them, and then you click on your profile picture, and then you go to bots and tools. From here, you're going to create a new bot. Let's call it ABR bot, and you will need to make sure that the access level will be for the organization and not only to you. So in order for people to be able to see those messages. Before you click on save bot, you will need to add some description. And let's say this bot will be used to accept SMS messages. And now let's click on save. And your bot name will be ABR bot, but it's all lowercase. So let's go here, write ABR bot, and that's all lowercase. Next, we need the country code. In my case, for example, the majority of the clients will be from the US and Canada, so I will have +1 as the country code. In your case, if you have different countries, whenever you create the contacts and leads, just add the correct country code to the lead or contact. And let me show you what I mean. So if I'm creating now someone that is not from the US or Canada, okay, so let's say here, in the mobile number, I will have, let's say this guy is from Israel. So I will write 972. That will be the country extension of Israel. And then I will have the phone number in, okay? In this case, the extension will not use the default country code. It will just use the existing one. Next, we have the from number, and the from number is something that you need to pull from Twilio. I will just copy the from number as is, and I will paste it here. And you can see a lot of Jatin in the system. Jatin is the architect of this beautiful SMS system. Just so you know, his name, the great Jatin. Here you can have opt-out on incoming messages. This is part of our automation. In case that you like to run marketing automations, and whenever someone that is responding to those marketing SMS, he will stop getting those SMS messages, then you will need to mark the opt-out on incoming message. Whenever there is an incoming message from this person, the opt-out from SMS will be turned on, and then this person will not receive any more text messages regarding the automation. Next, we have the send manual text. We added into our system a small field that is basically able to send text messages. The field name is Twilio manual message. If I will have here a message, hello, Lior, please close the door. Whenever I will click on the check mark or I will save the record, this will be sent automatically. The reason that we added this field is because the extensions that are being used in the systems, in the ZOHO systems, are working on the desktop but not working on mobile devices. So we added this field basically to override the restriction. Whenever you will have a message that is written into the Twilio manual message from your mobile device, it will automatically send it as a text message. So it's just a small workaround that we created. If you do like it, check it on. If you don't like it, forget about it. Next, we have the SMS webhook. You don't really need it unless you have a third party that wants to send SMS using your number. Basically, we created for your shortcut. Instead of your, let's say, web developer to be able to send messages, he will not need to learn all the Twilio APIs. He can just go to the SMS webhook. He will need to copy this big URL, and he will be able to send text messages using this URL. Whenever incoming text messages will come, it will come to your CRM, which is awesome thing to do. Next, we have the text message auto refresh. Whenever you look at your page, you have here the SMS history. You're able to tell the CRM to refresh it every 30 seconds. Now, every time that it's refreshing the system, it's consuming an API call. You have, I think, about a few tens of thousands of API calls as part of the system. So we're consuming one on every refresh. The thing is, if you don't want it to be refreshed and you don't want to see the conversations in and out, then you can just leave it as no, basically. If you do want it refreshed, then you change it to yes, and then those messages will be refreshed all the time. Next, you have here a few things that we need to retrieve from the system. One, it will be the Twilio seed, and you just copy and paste it here. And the other one will be the Twilio auth token. We're going to copy it and paste it here. Next, we have the Twilio webhook URL that will need to be inserted into Twilio. So here you have a way to access Twilio, basically send messages using Twilio, and this guy is going to receive the messages that coming to Twilio, and it will send it to the CRM. So let's copy the Twilio webbook URL. Let's go to the phone numbers in Twilio. You will need to click on the number that you like to use. In this case, let's say it's this one. Okay, and you will need to scroll down all the way to the messaging area. You will need to change a message comes in as a webbook, and then you will need to paste this long URL that you just copied from here. Okay, so you just do it here, and then you save. Okay, then basically that was the last step of this integration, and let's click on save. And now your plugin is good to go. In order to test if it's working, let me pull my mobile device. Let me try to send a text message to 561-788-7073. Okay. And you can see that the ABR bot just told me that there is an incoming text message that was received. It's already identifying that my phone number is assigned to Paul McCartney, which probably stole my number, but that's fine. Let's click on view record. And it takes me to the lead. And let's close that. If I go to the SMS history, you can see that Paul just sent me hello, and I will write, I got it. Okay, and now I received it to my phone. So that means that everything works perfectly. Now, as I told you before, if you have the refresh on, every time that there is a message, you will see it in the system. If it's off, you will not see it, and you will need to refresh the page manually. So this is it for the installation part. In the following videos, we're going to teach you how to create automations, how to do cool things with the system, and of course, what are the features that are included in this plugin.